Hello students. After completing the all three methods, measuring methods of national income, then now I explain the difficulties of the measuring of national income. There are the two types of difficulties measurement of national income. Now I showing you the page number 67. Here mention the part A, the theoretical difficulties or the conceptual difficulties, and the second one is the practical difficulties or statistical difficulties. So first I explain the theoretical difficulties. Here mentioned there are the 7 difficulties of measuring of national income. The 7 points mentioned here the theoretical difficulties while using the measuring method of national income. So first point is the transfer payment. The second is illegal income. Number third, unpaid services. Number 4, production for self-consumption. Number 5, income of the foreign firms. Number 6, valuation of government services. And number 7 is the changing the price level. There are the 7 points explained here the theoretical difficulties of the national income. The first one is the transfer payment. Individuals get the pension, unemployment allowance, etc. But whether this transfer payment should be included in national income or not is a major problem, because of one hand they are the part of individual income and on the other hand they are part of government expenditure. Hence, these transfer payments are not included in national income. Is the transfer payment, it is the major problem of the while calculating of national income, the theoretical difficulties, because of the transfer payment is involve the group of the like the pension, unemployment allowance, and scholarship, etc. So one hand is the income and another hand is the expenditure. So it is a major problem of the while using the measuring method of national income. The second is illegal income. Illegal income like the income from the gambling, black marketing, theft, smuggling, etc. are not included in national income. Means students, illegal income is also the problem creating of national income, the difficult problem, theoretical difficult problem of while you calculating the national income. Here mention illegal income, the group like gambling, black marketing, theft, smuggling, etc. So not the part of the national income. Unpaid services, for the purpose of the calculating national income, only pay the goods and services are considered. However, there are a number of unpaid services which are not accounted for in the calculation of national income. If the unpaid services also the group does not include the part of the national income. It is also the creating the theoretical difficulties while calculating national income. The unpaid services group, for example, the services of housewife and the services provided out of love, affection, mercy, sympathy, charity, etc. are not included in the national income. Means the housewife provide the service in our child and the relatives in the family members, like the characters of the love, affection, mercy, sympathy, then charity, etc. are not included in national income. Then you can also take the example of teacher providing the service. Teacher teach to her students. It is also the group of unpaid service. It is the problem creating of theoretical problem creating of the national income. Number 4th point is the production for the self-consumption. The product kept for the self-consumption by the farmers and other allied producers did not enter the market. Hence, it is not accounted for in the national income. The self-consumptionable goods also is not proper include in the measuring the national income, because of self-consumptionable goods by the farmers and other that producers did not enter the market. So here it is not accounted in the national income. Number 5th is income of foreign firms. According to IMF, International Mutual Fund, income of a foreign firm should be included in the national income of the country where the firm actually undertakes the production work. So, income of foreign firms also the problem creating while the calculating of national income, like the International Mutual Fund, income of a foreign firm should be included in the national income of the country where the firm actually undertakes the production work. The number 6 is the valuation of government services. The valuation of government services is also the theoretical difficulties of the national income. The government provide a number of public services like the law and order, defense, public administration, education, health services, etc. The calculation of these services at the market price, it's difficult as real value of these services is not known. Therefore, it is difficult to calculate the national income. So, valuation of government services like the public services such as the law and order, defense, public administration service, education, health service, all the services a group of the government service. Valuation of government service group. This calculation of these services at market price is difficult as the real value of this service is not known. So it is a difficult problem of the calculating national income. The changing of price level, it is also a major problem of calculating of national income because of the prices, the rises and the falls of the prices. So that time you are creating the major difficulties of calculating national income. The difficulties in the calculating national income also arise due to changes in price levels. For example, when the price level rises, the national income may show an increase even though the production may have decreased. Means the price rise, the income may show increase in the production have decreased, and also when the price level falls, the national income may show in decrease even though the even though there may be the increase in the production. So while the changes of the prices of the rises and falling of the prices of commodities, that time we also creating the difficulties the calculating of national income, because when the time of the rises price income is increased, then the production decrease, then the price falls, then decrease of the income and the increase of production. So the changes of the price level, it is also the creating major problem of calculating national income. Students, here completed the all 7 points of theoretical difficulties of national income. In next lecture we will start the practical difficulties of national income. Thank you.